This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the camera mod or data pack and confirming it matches your Minecraft version. Once done, gather redstone, levers, buttons, building blocks, and a chest. Make sure to have a helmet or map for reference. Place the camera item in your hotbar and test it once while standing close. Next, position a block where you want steady mounting. Attach the camera and link a redstone input. This gets the system live and ready for the more detailed wiring steps. You now wire the camera to controls and automation. Start by running redstone from the camera to a lever for manual shots, then add repeaters to adjust timing. Use comparators for signal strength if you need conditional triggers. Once wired, connect a daylight sensor or redstone clock to enable scheduled captures. Make sure to place repeaters so the pulse reaches the camera. In the camera UI, set zoom, angle, and export path. Save presets when possible, because presets speed repeatable builds and reduce mistakes. You finish by testing captures and exporting files. Trigger the camera manually first and check the chest, map, or server folder for saved images. Make sure permissions allow writes. Once that works, run automated cycles and watch for missed frames or choppy timing, then tweak repeater delays. If something breaks, strip the circuit to a single pulse and a direct redstone line to isolate the fault. Check mod version and server plugins. This quick troubleshooting approach narrows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.